Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Umentri katnat social welfare ubak polling do ula pentip bakatnat social welfare kadang Pynkhreh ikilat kilenti kumno banyak Ïakhun Thma persya ya ka jingjelai jong Drok hakani ka jela. Ha ka jingakaran bakila patai kubor ubak polling do ula ong bakatnat kampo yeng katnat ka koi ka khia bat kiwei de kitnat kilatrai thachi thach kumno ban weng ya ka jingjelai ba excitement jong Drok. House nam Arhajar Arpuar ka sarkar jela kala batha ya katnat kampo yeng bat ya ka social welfare banwa ikilat kilenti kumno ban loj ban law ya ka jingshat tem raw jong kisamla ha Drok.
We are on the job. We are on the job. Again, this is interlinked to departments like Home Police, Health Department, and various other departments. But we certainly are on the job, and elimination of the drug menace is a priority of this government. Rehab centers are in the entire chain of events post-addiction. Post-addiction, then you have rehab centers. Why don't we first prevent, attract, refocus the attention of the youth so that instead of turning into drugs, they turn into art, they turn into music, they turn into weaving, they turn into tourism. When they do that, they will certainly not go into drugs. And therefore, you will need less of addiction centers. You will need less of rehabilitation centers. Those who are already addicted, we will take care of them. But that is post-drug scenario. I'm talking of preventive rather than curative measures. That's a wonderful suggestion. The suggestion is well taken.